Okay, final leg.
November 16, 2025.
Nadali si Tatat. Si Kinit sa Mayton.
And I would like to thank lahat ng sponsors. Maya-maya basahin natin ulit. And I would like to present you here in the starting gate. This is the bronze category. And I would like to acknowledge also the presence of our lady riders.
Good luck. Ingat mga idol.
Check this out, nakakabala natin. This is the bronze category. This will be your last call. Bronze category. Please proceed to the starting gate for
balik, ringside, pagawas, finish.
Two laps, partner.
Duha ka obstacle, duha ka ringside. Pasig maupat na rin yung obstacle. Sige, parehas ng gapon, kagapon. Kung sa inyo gagawin kagapon, walang gapon. Reminders, riders locking isa ka station, automatic DQ. No contest. Parehas manutaran. Para kung manubra mo, maabot mo sa station 2, balik din po, makita nyo yung station 1. Nagpasabot lang na, nasaan ka mo. Kuman ka station ta. Katong yung lagyan nga po.
01, Jonathan Ryan from Jensen. Okay. First step natin, Sunday Series, bronze category, 48 silver powers,
Dua ringside. So, berapa? Una, obstacle, ringside, pagawas, uno.
And here we go. This is the bronze category of San City. This is the final day. And this is it in Hawaii.
Riders down. Okay, ang una. Hoy! Taga-Cebu, partner, naguna. Nakita-kilas ka lang ito. Okay, ikadua. Pahinting. Programo, sinunan. Ikatlo. Jimson, partner. Okay, TJ. Ikaw pa, Cebu. Para si Lando, Rakaunsa. Tolak, riders down. Tuara. Aray ka. Atras. Okay. Naguna, Pahinting. Atras na. Kabang Sintal.
Aurelio.
Okay. Asa na? Ay! Pinit sa Manton, partner. Bumigil mo. Pinit sa Manton. Ikatulo. Ay, taga-Cebu, partner. Riders down. Partner, Dayakis, rider of Jensen, partner. Nagpakitang kilas. Ay! Pero ba yan? Chichi Tatat, partner.
Hoy, Chichi Tatat. Partner, riders from General Santos City. That's Chichi Tatat. Nagpasikat, partner.